I actually got an aftermarket set, and these are splined. Welcome back to D2 Wrench Work and DIY, guys. Today's video, I'm going to unveil a budget set of wheels that we got for our Mazda 3. You'll see behind me here in the video. I got a set of platinum wheels by Ultra. They come out to about 19 pounds. The offset is plus 50, so our Mazda 3 has plus 40. Just like bring it out to the fenders just a touch more. And I'll give you a look at what they look like. For the money, probably the best stuff we could get. They're 16-inch by 7-inch wide. And they have a real nice look to them. They're similar to the look on the Mazda 3 wheel. Nothing like super extravagant. Our car's white. I wanted to get something bronze to kind of make it look a little bit more sporty, you know. It's a completely stock car. It has like 50,000 miles. So the main reason is doing this is because these have brand new snow tires on them. Bridgestone Blizzaks. I got these off the tire rack. My recommendation is go a size smaller. It's always better to have a more narrow tire. So kind of works out. We got a cheaper deal going the size smaller as well, but that's what we ended up doing. So one thing you don't want to forget is when you do this, these aftermarket wheels, they're going to come with aftermarket lug nuts, which means you're probably going to need specialty to them to install them. They're generally cheaper ones, but they'll work on the wheel. These are so big that when they're in here, it's probably hard to see, but the exterior of the actual lug nut, it's a size bigger. It's just a 21 millimeter. Normally it's a 19 millimeter that goes on these Mazda 3s. So the diameter being so much bigger, you have to have a thin wall socket. They're kind of expensive. I mean, if you ever work on the car, it's a general like rule of thumb. If you have aftermarket wheels, just go ahead and get some aftermarket lug nuts. They don't have to be the locking ones. Splined ones are my favorite ones to do. If you want to be super, super safe, you can get 2 different sets of cheap spline lug nuts. A friend of mine actually told me that trick. Shout out Dana if you're watching this. But these are super great deal. You can get these for like 25 bucks or less. They come with the spline tool. It's 25 if you have 6 lugs. So it's 24 lugs you get plus the tool. 20 or 22 or something like that for what we have here. And that's going to be the 25 per wheel. 5 lugs. When it's actually springtime, what we're going to end up doing is swapping these back onto our summer tires so the snow tires go on the more narrow wheels like they should. But since these came online to us and we are in a hurry because it's supposed to be snowing in the next few days, maybe even tomorrow or in a few hours.
A few moments later.
We're going to go ahead and just get them on now and deal with all that later. Just little things to look out, additional costs and so on. And that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and get to work and see how it looks. going on, guys? We're back. As you can see, much nicer day. Got my hair cut, my beard trimmed and everything. A little warmer now. I thought we were gonna have like a day of snow. It ended up being a couple weeks. So this is the only time I could actually like get you a good clip of what the wheels look like and everything. So let's take a look at that now. I did want to mention, dude, those Bridgestone Blizzaks, best money you could possibly spend. I know they have good reviews, and I was a little skeptical. I was thinking maybe the cheap ones are probably going to be just a little worse. But, man, I used to have a mudding Jeep, like little lifted and mud tires and all that whole thing. I started out with all-terrains, and I mean, those things are like some BFG all-terrains. They're just like super thick. You could just feel them crunching into the snow. You could audibly hear it inside the car. And our Mazda 3 is a pretty quiet vehicle. It's pretty crazy. You could feel chunks of it in the soft snow too, like flying off and just going around in slow speeds and stuff. They bite. They're super safe. A few $100s in nice tires will probably save you several thousands in an accident in the snow. So better be prepared. Like I said, best money we spent so far. Super pleased with the wheels too. And like I said, let's take a look at them right now. Hope that looked pretty cool to you guys. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. I'm almost at 500. That's like the halfway mark to getting monetized. I do have another little secret project you've probably seen in the background of the pictures there. And that's going to be coming up next. I got all the parts ready. I'm going to actually have to take it out in the next week or so and just like give it a nice clean, get my base mechanic set. But I do appreciate it, guys. I actually did today hit 150,000 views as well. So thank you so much for everything. Please do like and subscribe. More stuff to come. Thanks, guys. Bye.